Greetings. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do a full factory reset on any Canon camera, digital camera, and it doesn't matter what model it is. Now this is a Powershot, but you might have a G series, an S series, an IXUS, you might have an ELPH. Again, it doesn't matter. It's pretty much done by the same concept, and there's two ways to do it. So the majority of your Canons are going to have the menu button right here on the bottom right. So click menu, and then you want to go to this little gear shift, this ratchet and hammer here, and you use your right arrow to go there, and then you scroll all the way down till you click reset all, and then hit enter, which is that little center button right there. And then you want to go to the right to confirm, yes, click enter. And that's doing a full factory reset. And so it should do it automatic. Now, if it's getting glitchy and you have a difficult time getting there, or it doesn't have the menu to do a full factory reset, you power it off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the case, and you want to remove both the battery and you want to remove the SD card, whatever size SD card it has. So there's my SD card, and I'm going to remove the battery. And then you're going to keep both of those out for a good 10 minutes, and that's like a soft reset. All right? Now this is very important. Let me know in the comment section, what model do you have? Do you have a Powershot? Do you have an S series? Do you have a G series? Do you have an ELPH? Let me know what you have. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.